already dead. Body bagged and tagged, chalk lined and dragged to the back of the way. But your power remains, and you are elevating, 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 elevating. Come on, because you never left the house, in fact. I'm about to bring you back with all the clout. Be your mouth, as in your voice, because that's my choice. As I learn to hoist my ain't ever too heavy brother, this here mother, because I promised, and I'm honest, with a better than honest attempt on all lives that I meant to revise, as I take it live with you on the ride, because you are alive, and every day, on every way, when I feel to pray, and the veil fades, right to this, right to the king of the hill, because we talk and we walk, like an A-spot detox, huh? I call the feet off, the demons in the back, and we keep feeding back, that's right, we keep feeding back, right to the king of the hill, because we talk and we walk, like an A-spot detox, and we keep feeding back, huh? I call it the feet off, and the demons in the back, and we keep feeding back. You want to know why? This is why. Because we are addicted to the change that we wish to see, and not just what's in your pocket. Because we are prophets, and now we profit when you flip this. So rearrange efficiency that can't stop this.